today I have a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats. As you can see, there are the rear seats right here in the back of the vehicle, right? All right, I'm going to lay down the seats. In order to do that, I'm actually going to have to go out and go to the trunk, okay? So the trunk's kind of messy, don't worry too much about it. I'm going to move this down, all right? And you see there are some levers right here. There's a pulley right here and one on this side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it, and that releases it, and I'm able to push it forward and lay down the rear seats. Now, my front seats are back so far that the rear seats can't lay down flat. All I need to do is push the front seats up, scoot the front seats up, and I can lay this all the way down. I'm gonna do this side for you really quick too. Release it, and it's able to lay down, okay? They can lay down flat if I push up the front seats. Trust me, they will be. And you'll be able to put more stuff in there for the cargo. Now, when I'm done, I'm just gonna take this, pull it all the way back until I hear it click. It clicks, won't push forward, it's back into place. I'm gonna take this side, go right here, clicks, back into space, won't push forward, and that's how you lay down the rear seats. Let me know if you have any questions.